Good egg, unscrambled. Understanding a unique English phrase. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a rather interesting English phrase, good egg. If you've ever been puzzled by this expression or if you're hearing it for the first time, stick around. We'll break it down together. The phrase, good egg, is colloquial in nature, meaning it's informal and typically used in casual conversations. Historically, the term egg was used in the 1800s and early 1900s in British English to refer to a person. So, when someone is called a good egg, it's essentially referring to them as a good person. Imagine you have a friend who always helps you out, is reliable, and has a kind heart. You can say, my friend John? Oh, he's a good egg. The term is filled with warmth and affection. Here are a few examples. Sarah always volunteers at the local shelter. She's such a good egg. Thanks for helping me move last weekend. You're a good egg. However, it's important to note that this phrase might not be universally recognized by all English speakers, especially those who are new to the language. It's always good to gauge the understanding of your listener. For fun, it's worth noting that there's an opposite to good egg, bad egg. It's used to describe someone who's untrustworthy or behaves badly. But, interestingly, it's less commonly used than good egg. For example, I wouldn't trust him with my money. He's a bad egg. And there you have it. Now, the next time you come across someone kind-hearted and reliable, you've got the perfect phrase to describe them. We hope this explainer video has made you a bit more familiar with the quirky world of English idioms. Remember, language isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also filled with fun expressions that capture the essence of its culture. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.